In this video, I'm going to be trading commodities on the Pocket Option platform utilizing two indicators, the Fractal Chaos Bands and the Moving Average indicator. Okay, so Gus Schmidt here, and I'm back with a new video. So today, we're on the Pocket Option platform, and if I click on my assets icon, I can locate my commodities right here. Pocket Option has various assets available to trade: currencies, cryptocurrencies, stocks, indices, and of course commodities. But we're going to focus on commodities today. So I have my commodities checked off here. Uh, so it's the weekend, so there are not too many commodities available. NA means not available. So we're going to focus on the ones that are available. And when I check them off here, they appear at the top of my chart. That way I can quickly go through them and analyze the various commodities for my analysis. Okay, so I'll be utilizing two indicators here, and the two indicators are the Fractal Chaos Bands and the Moving Average indicator. For the Fractal Chaos Band settings, I have my period set to 2, which is the default setting, and in the style settings, I've changed the background to white. That way I can see my lines a little better here. The green line, the green chaos band line, represents a dynamic level of resistance, while the red line represents a dynamic level of support. For my moving average indicator, I've set the period to 20, SMA for simple moving average, and in my style settings, I've increased the line width to 2 pixels. Okay, so we go ahead and save that. Now for my candlestick chart, I have my candle set to 1 minute, regular Japanese candles here. And for my trade timer, I also have it set to 1 minute. So I'll be taking 60-second trades. I like to take my trades fast trades, so I can be in and out of a position. And that way, I just take about 4 or 5 trades a day and I'm done for the day. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on platinum spot and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade is if you look at the 20 SMA line, it's showing a bearish movement, and the line is sloping downwards, suggesting a bearish momentum in the price of platinum spot OTC. And then secondly, this red candle closed below the lower boundary, this red lower boundary of the Fractal Chaos band line here. So this suggests a continued bearish momentum to the downside over the next 60 seconds. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, that was close, but we won that trade. I probably entered this trade a little late, but the strategy is still the same. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Palladium spot OTC commodity, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade, we're seeing a strong bearish movement in the price of the commodity here. The candles are printing above the 20 SMA line, but more importantly here, this green candle, closed above the upper boundary of the chaos band line, which suggests a bullish breakout to the upside. And this is exactly what's occurring right now. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration at the end of 60 seconds. Okay, so we're in the money on this trade. So as I mentioned before here, We have the candles printing above the 20 SMA line here, strong bullish momentum occurring, but we waited for this candle to break above this dynamic level of resistance here. And once it closed above it, I knew it was going to continue to push upward. All right, so let me pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Platinum Spot OTC, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is that there's appears to be a reversal here in the price. When we see the 20 SMA, the candles printing above the 20 SMA line signifies the start of a bullish reversal here. And secondly, I waited for this candle here, this previous green candle, to close above this previous level of this dynamic level of resistance here. So this suggests a bullish momentum to the upside here. We have the reversal candle here, the break of this candle above the dynamic level of resistance, and we won that trade. So this reversal occurred, and that's why I took the trade. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on natural gas OTC, and I just took a sell trade here. And the reason why I took the sell trade, I'm beginning to see a bearish movement in the price here. We have several red candles that have developed here. The price is printing below this 20 SMA line. And in addition to that, I have the candle which broke below and closed below this dynamic level of support here. So this suggests a continued bearish momentum to the downside. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, that was close, but we won that trade. I entered the trade a little later than I had hoped, but okay, let's pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Platinum Spot, and I just took a buy trade here. And the reason why I took the buy trade is, first of all, we have the 20 SMA sloping upwards, candles printing above the 20 SMA here, suggesting a bullish momentum in the price of platinum. And secondly, this candle here closed above the upper boundary of the Fractal Chaos Band line here. So I took the trade. I took the trade right before it closed because I knew it was going to close above the Chaos Band line here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiration. Okay, so we won that trade. So same thing again here. We have the 20 SMA line sloping upwards. Before it had been previously sloping downward. But right around here, there was a bullish reversal happening. Candles started to print above the 20 SMA. Waited for the candle to close above the upper boundary here, this green upper boundary of the Fractal Chaos Band, and then I took the trade. Okay, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on Brent Oil, and I just took a buy trade. And the reason why I took the buy trade here, first of all, we see the 20 SMA line. There is a bullish reversal occurring here on the 20 SMA. Candles printing above the line here, the 20 SMA line. And secondly, this candle closed above this dynamic level of resistance here. So this suggests a bullish movement to the upside. So let's monitor this trade. I took the trade right before the candle closed here. This is the price that I took it at because I was anticipating that the candle would close above this dynamic level of resistance, and we won that trade. Okay, great. So I'm going to end the trading session here. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment if you have any questions about the strategy. Subscribe to my channel if you're interested in keeping up to date on my various trading strategies. I have a link to the platform, the trading platform, in the video comments and or in the channel description. Uh, I've also wanted to make note that I've been risking about 1% of my capital. This is part of good money management. We don't want to risk high percentages of our capital in case we incur losses. And if, ultimately, you will incur losses. Just follow the strategy. Don't deviate, from the strategy. That way, you'll have consistent winners. And the whole idea is that you have more consistent winners than losers, thereby growing your account slowly but surely. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. But thank you for watching. Fractal Chaos Band Strategy, Gus Schmidt. Thank you for watching.